Hey guys, let's discuss new problem from linked list, which is you need to find the starting point of the loop or cycle. Okay, so let's say if you have a linked list given something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you need to find what is the starting point of the cycle. So like here 2 is the starting point of the cycle, okay, from where cycle is starting. So how you will achieve that? Very simple. See, we know that how to find the loop in a linked list or not. Okay, once the slow pointer and fast pointer is pointing to the same node, that time just keep slow pointer at that location only and fast pointer to the head. Okay, and then move both the pointers one by one, and where they will meet first time, that will be your starting of the linked list cycle, starting of the cycle or loop in a linked list. Okay, let's see if we can do that. Okay, so first this is your head, and this is your slow pointer, fast pointer is pointing to head. Okay, next time slow will move to one steps. So slow will be here, fast will be here, then slow will be here, fast will be here, then slow will be here, fast will again be here. Okay, then slow will be here, 1, 2, fast will be here. Okay, so now you have at fifth location you have a slow and fast pointer. Okay, let me remove other one, it will create confusion. Okay, so fine. So now if you see, currently you have slow and fast both point to this fifth node. Okay, now what you do, keep slow here itself. Okay, and fast will move to head. Okay, fast is not here. Now again fast will move here, slow will move here. First time they met on this node, second one. Okay, so this is the starting of the linked list, starting of the loop in a linked list. Okay, so can we see the code quickly? See, head is equal to null, then return null. Okay, empty linked list, and then slow will point to head, fast will point to head, and then until fast is not equal to null or fast next is not equal to null, what you need to do, slow equal to slow next, fast equal to fast next dot next. Okay, slow will move by one step and fast will move by two steps. Then if slow is equal to fast, okay, you found the loop. It means, so slow equal to head or fast equal to head, it's on you. Okay, and until slow is not equal to fast, what you need to do, just slow and fast will move to one step. Okay, and then return slow. So return slow or fast, anything you can return. So that node will be your starting of the linked list. Otherwise if there is no loop in a linked list, then you just return null. That's it. Thank you.